And we are back in St. George, Utah. Lovely, scenic St. George. Visit, stay, and play.
Huh?
And we have
Rodger
Hecht and his 3D printed Vulcan.
So I can see it. I can't see it going into the sun. Okay, here I go.
Yeah,
To the left.
This is the one that's been around for quite a while. It was made from plans, done up.
Okay, well, I'm coming right at you, so hopefully
Yeah.
you need me.
I'm sorry, not plans, STL files. It was made from files by this young 13-year-old lad in Australia.
Probably now
And
16.
it just flies super good, and it's nice to catch these
Vulcan roll.
little guys in the morning. There you go. It's nice to catch these little guys in the morning because the air is calm. And this little guy is, it's a single fan. It's a 50mm fan, right?
Yeah.
I seem to remember. So it's a 50mm fan, quadricated. Okay, now this is crazy, but it's got 2 inlets and 4 outlets. So it's just, there's a lot going on in this little tiny plane that flies on a 3-cell battery. And as you can see, it does really well. You gonna be able to bring her down here, Rodger? Okay. Bombing run? Well, actually, a bombing run would probably be pretty high because it's nuclear bomber. There you go. So there's the Avro Vulcan, part of the RAF's V series of bombers. The other ones I can't remember off the top of my head, but they all started with V, put it that way. You don't remember them, Rodger, do you?
I think one of them is called the Valiant.
Oh, and the Victor. Was the Victor one of them?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, teamwork. Pick Rodger's brain. He'll probably.
Vulcan V2, they call it.
Yeah. So they had the Vulcan, the Valiant. I think the Handley Page Victor. I think. I don't know. Anyways, I think. Anyways, they were the V series. They're from the 1950s, and this little guy was featured in a James Bond movie, where I think they crashed the plane
Into the ocean.
Into the ocean in order to get to the nuclear weapons. Isn't that crazy, right? But sorry for the jerkiness. Shoulder's not really acting up very well, but hey, y'all are gonna get the gist. And oh, by the way, you're gonna get to see a really cool little model. Really cool little model. You can barely even hear that thing. How big's the fan?
Huh? 50mm.
50mm fan, okay. Oh, that's right. I was gonna say, yeah, it was a 50.
A bunch of blades, like 11 blades.
11 blades. Oh, so she's 11 blades, you don't hear the screaming. Okay. All right. And this has fixed landing gear. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. See? Plenty of power for a go-around if you need to. If you don't like the good thing about landings, if you don't like the approach, just go around. Because good landings start with a good approach. So.
Go right.
All right. Hey, the baby is in one piece. All right. All right. No shame in that game. Whoa! Don't look, I'm hideous. All right. Well, Rodger goes to recover the aircraft, which is in one piece. A good landing. Just went off in the end there.
That's all right.
We'll join the rest of the crowd here. Okay. So hey, more to follow, more to come. From St. George, Utah, the John Morgan Electric Fun Flight. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.